In this guide, I'll show you how to restore corrupt or deleted worlds in Minecraft on PS4 and PS5. So in order to do this, you are going to need PlayStation Plus because we're going to be utilizing cloud storage to restore your saves. So let's say, for example, some of these worlds are corrupt. Maybe I've accidentally deleted stuff. What you want to do is go to the home menu on your console, and then you want to navigate to settings. Now, once you're in settings, you want to scroll down and look for a save data option, and then go ahead and select it. Now, since this is a PS4 game, we're going to go to Save Data PS4. Now, your Minecraft worlds should have automatically been saved to cloud storage unless you'd come into auto upload and turn this feature off, or had it turned on and turned off Minecraft. That's unlikely though, so let's go back and we're going to go to download or delete from cloud storage. Now, once you're here, you want to scroll down and highlight Minecraft and select it. And then you want to scroll over and select download in the bottom right corner. From here, it's going to ask you if it can overwrite the save data on your console for this game. I'm going to go to apply to all, and then I'm going to press yes. So this is going to upload our most recent saves from cloud storage to our PS5 or PS4. Now you just need to wait for this to finish. And once that's done, you can come back to the home menu, and then you want to boot up Minecraft. Then you want to select play and try out the world to see if it's no longer corrupted, and if you accidentally deleted a world, see if your save's in here now. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.